What is going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of techneedz. Today I want to give you guys more of a helpful video where I'm going to be teaching you guys if you own an Xbox Series X or if you own a PlayStation 5 and you have an amazing pair of headsets that have Bluetooth technology, and your biggest question you have is how can I connect these bad boys to my Xbox or PlayStation, because I do not want to go out and buy a specific gaming headset, or I don't want to go ahead and spend more money. Today, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what you're going to need in order to get that accomplished. All right, guys, so one of the biggest problems that we have with the current gen consoles, which I don't know why we have this problem. I mean, it is 2021. We shouldn't have this problem. This should not even be a thing, but I understand they want to make that cha-ching, and, make you buy more stuff. And that is the reason why we don't have this technology. But come on, guys, we're in 2021. All these consoles should have Bluetooth. Come on. Why don't they have Bluetooth, right? Because a lot of us already have Bluetooth headsets. I mean, some of you guys might have some pods. Some of you guys might have some Bose, headsets, Beats. You might like some, Bose Quiet Comfort headsets that all come with the Bluetooth technology. Some of you guys might not want to wear something over your head. You just want to have something to plug into your ear. And all of these have Bluetooth, but you can't connect these things to your console. And it's like, come on now. Well, I'm going to show you guys a quick little hack that's going to allow you to connect any Bluetooth device to your console, to the next gen consoles. And come on, Sony and Xbox, if you guys are listening, come on, update the consoles and enable Bluetooth. Come on. So right now, guys, what you guys are going to need to do, and I'm pretty sure some of you might even have this device laying around. If you don't have this device laying around, you could actually go to Amazon, and I will leave a link down below to the one I probably would recommend for you guys to pick up. And you want to pick up a Bluetooth dongle. Basically, this Bluetooth dongle is going to allow you guys to connect your Bluetooth device to your console. All you got to do is get the Bluetooth dongle, buy it off Amazon if you don't have one, or check the back of your PC. You probably have one if you have a pretty old PC, because usually old PCs didn't come with any. But if you guys do have one, all you have to do is go ahead, get that Bluetooth dongle, plug it to your console, either the Xbox or the PlayStation, and once it's plugged in, all you gotta do is click the button on the dongle to sync to your device. It's gonna sync to your Bluetooth headset, and bam, bada, bing, you guys are ready to rock and roll and use any Bluetooth device on your Xbox or the PlayStation 5. It's super easy, guys. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below to the ones I recommend you guys definitely pick up. Now, one thing I do want to let you guys know, it might be a little bit difficult for some of these devices or your Bluetooth device to actually send and transmit that voice, your voice to your teammates. It's mostly meant if you only want to sit back and hear and you don't want to be communicating with your teammates, if you're not playing like multiplayer games or just enjoying some cool time and don't want to be wearing massive headsets on your head. Now, if you guys don't want to do that and you want to know what exactly are the best headsets for your PlayStation 5 or your Xbox, we have videos on that. I'll make sure I'll link them down in the annotation and also down in the description. And there you guys have it. That is how you use your AirPods in your PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. I hope you guys did find this video helpful and informative. If you did, do me a huge favor, guys. Drop a comment, drop a like, and don't forget to share with your friends. But most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more tech that you need. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.